In 1 month alone, my sister and I are able to make $30,000 without a product of our own, without having to deal with customer service, and we get to do it from the comforts of our home. And that is 100% profit. And the best part is that income is mostly passive on top of our other streams of income. What we are doing is called ghost commerce. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we are able to quietly pull in over $10,000 a month and how you can too without any experience. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use what you've learned, put it into action, and unlock true freedom. Let's get into it. So what is ghost commerce? Ghost commerce is when you build a brand around a specific topic or audience and you monetize it in high leverage ways that don't involve creating a product or service. So this means that you get to create multiple streams of income by creating digital assets that connect your audience to high value solutions to their problems. You know the old saying, the more things change, the more they stay the same? Well, this business model is one of those things. It's been around forever. But now with technology and social media and how everything's changing, it's really easy for people to get into this and really make it big. It's very simple, and when done right, you can quickly see how this can turn into life-changing money. Here are some examples of ghost commerce. One example is a YouTube channel that pays you for ads running your channel. Another example is an Instagram page where people can pay you for posts on your page or stories, or where you can get brand deals. Another example is a blog or website that sells user data to lead generation companies. Another example is a Facebook page or profile that leads to any kind of affiliate product. A big misconception is that ghost commerce is just another word for affiliate marketing, and that's not true. With affiliate marketing, you have to have a product or service to promote. But with ghost commerce, you don't necessarily have to. But if you want to add affiliate marketing into your ghost commerce brand, you can, and honestly, it's a really great way to have multiple streams of income. Kendall and I have quietly been building one of these ghost commerce brands, and the best part about it is you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. If you are a beginner, affiliate marketing is one of the quickest ways to monetize your ghost commerce brand and bring in 5 to 10K per month. And because affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways to reach 5 to 10K per month, that is what we're going to be focusing on in this video today. And future videos will break down other ways. To make money online is literally as simple as helping people find a solution to their problems. One of my favorite quotes from the 7 spiritual laws of success is, the quickest way to get what you want is to help others get what they want. And that honestly works so well in the world of making money online. If your focus is on helping people solve their problems, your money issues will be solved. We can break down the ghost commerce business model in 4 simple steps. And the steps are brand, traffic, conversion, profit. Your brand is what you will use to provide your specific audience with education, entertainment, and information. Next is traffic. Traffic is one of the most important parts of this business model, and you can do it organically or you can do it with paid ads. Next is conversion. Conversion happens when you lead your audience down a specific process to get the help they're looking for in exchange for money. Last is profit. Profit is the final step, and this is where you maximize your brand's monetization potential by using high leverage, automated ways to turn your traffic into money. Okay, so now that we know the breakdown of ghost commerce, it's time for the first step, and that's figuring out your brand. This is the part that so many people get stuck on and is the reason that most people never get started. You don't have to fuss over this step, and it doesn't have to be complicated at all. So here are your options when it comes to building out your brand. You can build a personal brand, a faceless brand, or a business brand. I have them listed from easiest to hardest. A personal brand is the easiest because it's simply you. You would be your personal brand. So here's our personal brand. Since Kendall and I run this business together, we wanted to make our personal brand something that's a combination of us. So that's why it's twin, because we're twins, and KY because our names begin with KY. And it just so happens to spell Twinkie. Our high school teacher used to call us that, and it just stuck. So it was a fun, no-brainer name for us. Personal brands are meant to be just that, personal. Most people just use their name. So if you feel stuck, just go ahead and use your name or some type of variation of your name. Next is a faceless brand. And this brand type is most attractive because a lot of people when starting out don't want to show their face, and with this one, you don't have to. Here's an example of a faceless brand, and the cool thing about this brand is they are 100% discreet and no one has to know that they are behind it. The downside to a faceless brand is that it can take longer to build up authority, and with authority comes trust, and you want people to trust you. It's still possible with a faceless brand, but it just takes longer sometimes. But the upside to a faceless brand is that it's pretty simple to make content for it. Don't be afraid to put in a lot of work up front because in the long run, it will start to pay off. Next is the business brand. This one can be done a few ways, but with business brands, someone is almost always the face of the brand. This helps to give the brand personality, and when you think of that person or a mascot, you instantly think of the brand. So think of Tony the Tiger from the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes box or Jake from State Farm. So here's an example of a business brand. As you can see here, this is a business brand, but they have the extra personality from the owner showing up in the videos. At any point in this business, the owner could remove themselves from the company and another person could take over. And that's the beauty of having a business brand. But based on our experience, a personal brand is the fastest way to see 10K months. With these ghost commerce brands, there are several ways to become monetized, and there are several different platforms that you can set them up on. Some examples are TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. These are all places that you can set up your brand to reach your ideal audience. It's honestly best to start off with one that you're most familiar with and just focus on that one until you master it. And as you master it, you can easily repurpose your content and repurpose your videos or whatever you're creating and post it across different platforms. As of the time of this video, TikTok remains one of the fastest places to grow an audience really fast and to get in front of a lot of people, but that doesn't necessarily mean that that's the best place for you to start. People click with different platforms, and honestly, they all can work. You just have to pick one, stick with it, and master it. One of my favorite platforms is YouTube, and if you're intimidated by it, don't be. It may seem hard to get traffic from YouTube in the beginning, but as you go along, you'll begin to figure out how it works, and you'll see that the people you get from YouTube, are much more serious about the actions they're taking. But the bottom line is, the most successful brands are finding problems that people are having and putting the solution right in front of those people. In order to get the solution in front of your people, you're going to need a place to send those people, because you never want to just give your link out. This is the quickest way to get banned from many social media sites and affiliate programs. There are many ways to get your link or links out there, but top affiliates will tell you to use a funnel. So what is a funnel? A funnel is a series of web pages that you will take your prospect through to get them to your end goal. The most qualified prospects will reach your end goal and complete it. This is why it's referred to as a funnel. At the end of the funnel, you should have what you desired. Funnels can be complicated or simple, and for affiliate marketing, we like to keep it really simple. The first page of your funnel is going to be your landing page, and this is where you're going to introduce your prospect to the solution to their problem. For this example, we have a headline, a sub-headline, and an opt-in form. There can be many variations of this page alone, but this version is simple and effective. As you can see on this page, we have not told them what the offer is yet. We want to keep them interested so that they will take the first action, and that action is to put in their name and email, and then they'll move on to the next step. And the next page is the bridge page. This page acts as a bridge connecting your prospect to your offer. On this page, we want to prepare them for your affiliate offer, which is going to be coming up on the next page. As you can see on this page, there's a lot more information, and we're actually talking about our affiliate offer here. On this page, you can see we have a little bit more information about us, and we have some testimonials. This is to get the prospect excited for what's to come. This is another one of those pages that can be either simple or complex. It just depends on the affiliate's preferences and what the offer is all about. And depending on the company you partner with, you may actually get resources to help you build out the pages of your funnel. Most companies that you partner with will actually give you marketing materials such as testimonials, pictures, emails, scripts, various things that will help you actually promote the product. The last part of the funnel is taking them to your affiliate product with your affiliate link. After that, your job is done. The affiliate program we partner with actually builds out the funnel. They test them, they see what works, and all we have to do is put in our domain, and that's it. We don't have to build out anything ourselves. And I'll share a little bit more on that later. Now let's talk about traffic. Now it's time to get people to your funnel. This is the part that a lot of people get hung up on and is what stops a lot of people from actually getting started. But what I'm going to share with you here will help you see it's really simple and it doesn't have to be hard. It's best when starting out to pick one platform and master it. Don't focus on any other platform except the one you start with. When we started off, we chose TikTok and we quickly saw what types of content worked over there. And keep in mind, we started with 0 social media following at all. The number one misconception and trap that people fall into is that when starting a business online, it only works for the people that have a large following. And that's not true. There are people with large followings that are not able to monetize their content and make no money at all. And then there are people with very small followings that make thousands a month. The best way around having little to no following and still being able to reach thousands of people is using search-based marketing. Social media is changing, and it's never been easier to reach groups of people when you have a small platform or no platform at all. When you learn the specific keywords and topics that people want to learn about and are desperate to find solutions in, you can add those to your content and people will begin to find you because of that. You will see that you'll begin to show up in feeds with people who have tens and thousands of followers when you maybe only have 1,000. That's the beauty of search-based marketing or search-based content creation. It takes a little bit of research up front, but it's so worth it in the long run. Even with your brand on point, your niche dialed in, and your content helping people solve their problems, none of this will matter if you aren't partnered with the right affiliate partner. A great affiliate partner is what will take your marketing efforts to the next level. They are the ones who will be taking care of the audience that you build. You want to make sure your audience is in good hands, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you can make money. I mean, that's the point after all. Your affiliate partner handles the heavy lifting of actually running a company, and that is why affiliate marketing is so powerful for beginners. You don't have to worry about the difficulties of running a full-blown business, but you still get to earn a great living. The affiliate partner we chose is not only really good at making the sales for us, but they also have done a really great job of providing the funnels where all we have to do is connect the domain and hit the ground running. And these funnels have been tested and proven. The conversion rates have been tracked and tested for you. So all you have to do, plug in that domain and get going. There are simply no excuses for beginners when starting out with this affiliate partner. In the past, we've partnered with affiliate programs where you have to build out your entire funnel. You have to add in the email sequence. You have to figure out how to get everything connected and make the workflows work. And it can be a hassle for beginners, and we understand that it stops a lot of people. That's actually one of the number one things that we get when people want to start, is that they're stuck with the technology side of it. And you don't have to let that stop you, especially with the program that we're going to be sharing with you. With this affiliate partner, we make up to $1,600 for one sale. And that is specifically because we do what's called high ticket affiliate marketing with our Ghost Commerce brand. This means that we make more money with less work because low ticket sales takes the same amount of energy and work that it takes to make high ticket sales. That's how we're able to make $30,000 in just 1 month. We want to take our business to the next level, and we found mentors that have proven that this works and are making over $500,000 a month using this method. And now with copying their exact method, we're making $30,000 a month and growing. If you want to copy our exact business and do everything that we're doing with the same affiliate partner, step by step, even copy our exact content strategy, taking the guesswork out of getting traffic, you can do that by clicking the link below this video. I hope this video has been super helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.